day everyone. Today we're gonna show you how to install a hard drive in your DVR. If it's not working, you have to replace the hard drive, right? Regular 3.5 interface. You don't have to have everyone to do this, you can do it yourself. So very simple actually. Tools required: Phillips South Star Point. That's basically it. Oh, and some coffee too.
Cheers.
Yeah, some coffee when you're doing projects like this so you can stay focused. So cheers from Canada. So the first thing I gotta do is go ahead, remove these screws that's holding the shell. Oh, you can see this shape, but anyway, I can check it out. Yeah. Simple, huh? Nothing hard about this. It should be like 6 screws depending on your DVR. Let's reverse them. In this case, this DVR only has like 4 screws, so it's actually perfect. Less screw, you know. Same thing for NVR or DVR, anything that has a hard drive like this. When I first started doing this, I used to pay a man like $20 to do this. You buy it. Inside, as you can see here, this blue cable, this power cable, and this is the data. So simple business again. Nice. And right here, see that's 2 sets of teeth. The bigger one, that's for the data, and the smaller one is for the power. Fits in like some teeth in a comb, you see? Boom, 1 in, 2 in. There you go. And there's some ribbons at the bottom there. You can put on top or the bottom. You can just want to find a spot that could fit. Bob is your uncle. Maybe the talking, Bob is your uncle. Something like here, though, you know? When things are easy, I'm going to say Bob is your uncle, you know? In this case, go ahead and say Bob is your uncle, because this is very simple. Not like 1, 2, 3, but easy like that. And a trick I come up with, because these screws are so small, see the bottom here, right? If you try to put the screw in force, it's actually a good head start, you know, so it can slip right through the slot. And the way, you won't find it hard to find the hole. When my buddy Rhea started out his job, he's got to pay a guy named Tom. Fix this to me. You know why? There was no YouTube at the time. That's why Tom get away with it. Tom gets skin up right now. We have to go ahead and tighten these screws here. Put the shell on back on. Look at this. The rest is self-explanatory, you know. Not hard. Pop it in. Nice and tight. I'll put back in the 4 screws. Yeah. So just remember, data is the bigger cable, and the smaller ones like this is for the power. That's all you need to do. Stick them in, And when you're finished here, connect that TV or a monitor or something, and go ahead and press format on the HDD card drive, you know? So the way you'll be recording so you catch all the bad guys. Maybe you need to see something, you know, of importance. You have to have a hard drive. It's pointless to have these cameras run without a hard drive, right? Some people do it all the time. I use it myself, so thinking nobody gonna do this and nobody gonna do. But it's very important. Have recording on the machine. Here we go. So I guess you'll be familiar with the DVR. This is, in this case, the 8 channel. And there you go. Configure, done. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to crimp a RJ45 for your internet. You know, stuff like that. So drop a comment down below and tell me this is helpful for you. And if you think I did it wrong, explain to me why. You know? Say, hey Rudy, I think you didn't put 4 screws in. You probably need 4 screws. Just enough to keep it tight. Peace out.